All right, well, it's another beautiful day out here at the compound. Mark went on an adventure today. I couldn't go with him. He's been looking for a certain car for a long time. And so I made sure I could get out here when he arrives with it. And that way we can do a walk around of it and see what the special car is and see what he's been so anxious to get. And I think it's going to be one that everybody's going to love to see, and definitely a build you all are going to enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead and kick back and let's see when this thing arrives. Well, Mark made it back. He drove about 4 hours each way to get this project. And so we're excited to add it to the collection here and get started on the build. I know this is going to be one that's special to him, so.
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curves, flattening the hills. Someday the mountain might get 'em, but the law never will. Making their way the only way they know how.
For what it is, it's solid.
Looks like a solid car.
Absolutely. You find them in the Midwest, back east, they're rusted halfway up.
And how long you been looking for one?
Half of my life.
So I think out here there's going to be more movie cars than most studios have at some point at this rate.
We're going to start renting them out.
That's just a little bit more than the law will allow. Just a good old boy, they wouldn't change if they could. Fighting the system like a true modern day Robin Hood.
All right, well, we got the car off the trailer. Got it parked next to the kit project. So what exactly is the plan here, Mark? What are we making?
Oh, good old General Lee, finally, after all these years of wanting one.
It all came together. You hadn't even had the car yet and you were already ordering parts.
Had the wheels and tires before I got the car.
Now he's got to slap it together, so we'll have to watch the progress as it goes.
Fighting the system like a true modern day Robin Hood.